Using the skin tone wheel, you can assess patient baseline skin tone from initial assessment, record it accurately, and from there monitor any changes. So we're going to check in your inner arm first, and as you can see, when through the skin tone wheel, your baseline skin assessment, and I'm sure you can check with me, and we both agree it's a 5C.
5C.
Yeah. So then this is your baseline. So
Yes.
anything darker than a 5C, we know there is something wrong at skin changes that's not normal. Okay.
Yes.
From a 5C, the surrounding of your wound is an 8C. So this tells us something is automatically wrong. And you said it was very painful. So where I touch it, it's quite hot to touch, and you can see the swelling is there. So this is a good way for us to establish whether you've got an infection. The skin tone wheel is very user friendly. It is wipeable, so in terms of your infection prevention and control, you can take it to the patient home or you can use it in your own clinic setting. It enables accurate documentation in the patient notes, which then allow continuity of care.